What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mia, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, I didn't start this vlog off at home, but we have rode to the beach. We at the beach. I got a few clips from when we was on our way here, but I'm gonna show y'all the water in 1 second. Alright, y'all, so we on the beach. I had my legs in the water, but my feet in the sand. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. Feet in the sand. Don't mind my hair, y'all. The wind is going crazy, and yeah, but I'm gonna take y'all down there to the waves. So give me like 2. Hey, y'all, we with the water, as you can see. Ooh. It got on my butt! My butt! Look. What'd you say? Y'all see the waves? One time, come back. Y'all, this vlog might be all over the place. This vlog might be all over the place because I did not start it when I first left out the house. But as y'all can tell today, I came to the beach for the day. I start school tomorrow, so we had to do something before I started school. And these waves are vicious. Oh, look, they jet skiing and on the speedboat. But yeah, so I'm just letting my feet get wet. I don't know why I'm so close. My hair's a mess, but it's okay. I'm finna show y'all how these waves come. Watch it. Yeah, it's gonna be a vlog today. I'm about to go down.